We will go to the markets where it is not a pretty picture on this Monday. Dow down by near 500. NASDAQ getting bludgeoned today, down more than 600 points. That's more than 3%. So it's ugly across the board. As we say, Joe, the detox continues. And it is remarkable how quickly the markets have moved from optimism over Trump 2.0 to pessimism over how this thing is all playing out. Tesla's a perfect example of what we're calling the Tesla chainsaw massacre. It's down again, 50% drawdown from its high, 7 weeks in a row, the longest losing streak ever.
The S&P is now at its lowest level since September. Since September, before the election. Fresh data today is not helping quell recession fears, and the NASDAQ is seeing the biggest losses once again.
You're taking a live look right now at the Dow. The numbers are tanking on fears of a recession and trade war.
800 points for the Dow, in fact, right now. We're pretty much at session lows. The S&P is down 2 3/4%. The NASDAQ down 4 1/4 for its worst day since 2022.
What started as an ugly day on Wall Street has turned downright hideous. Broad-based selling across the board, and, you could call it a sinkhole that's opened up under the NASDAQ.
There's a lot of uncertainty right now. Trade policy, tax policy, spending policy, immigration policy, and geopolitics are all quite uncertain. And so I think markets are reacting to that.
Maybe Scott Bessent should do this. Read his old boss's book, George Soros, The Age of Turbulence, where he talks about herd mentality. The herd is really negative right now, and it's focused all on tariffs. I think some of this is a sales job. They have to go out there and maybe stop talking about tariffs so much and start talking about how we're going to infuse the economy. We're going to release the animal spirits. We're going to deregulate stuff.